So you're in housing court right now with your landlord, is that right?
Yes.
How many times have you been to housing court with this particular landlord?
I've been since November until May.
And how many times do you think?
December, let's see, February, no, let's see, counting, almost 6 times. I think 6 times total.
And of those 6 times, how often do you think an interpreter was there?
Twice. The first one, there was an interpreter, and the final one.
So for the 4 in between, there was not?
Exactly, right.
And so what would happen when there wasn't an interpreter?
What would happen was that the first time there was an interpreter, and then we rescheduled it, and that was fine. I went again, there was no interpreter. Again, the second time there was no interpreter. The third time there was no interpreter. The fourth time, and they advised me to go to the front, to the judge, and I said, I can't, I don't have an interpreter, there's no interpreter. They said, go ahead, the judge will give you an appointment. That's all that happened. I felt kind of awkward and hesitant. And I've been very frustrated because I've been there so often without interpreters, so I decided to go ahead, but I felt like as if I was forced to go ahead. And then when I was called, I stood in front of the judge, and the landlord's lawyer was on my right. And they were yakking back and forth and talking and having a conversation. I didn't understand what was happening. And then I interrupted using my voice. And I told the judge, what are you two talking about? I don't understand what's happening here, what both of you are saying. And the judge said, oh yes, I know. And the lawyer, and they were still talking, mind you, he backed up. And I looked, and the lawyer knew that he was in trouble because he proceeded without an interpreter. And I felt like I didn't know who to look at, and they were just talking and talking. There was a lot of information that was going back and forth. And then he gave me an appointment for May, and that was the final day that I came, and there was an interpreter that showed up.